So the second thing we have to worry about is actually the print settings. So we go into the print settings, which is this little gear icon here, and the first thing you have to worry about is the print mode. So there's 3 different modes. There's balanced, there's draft, and there's min fill. So as it's intuitive, balanced is when you want to print like a final draft of something, and draft is when it's just a draft product. So right now we're just going to be printing with draft, as it doesn't waste as much filament. So that's there. Then there's supports. So supports are what keep the structure of the print together. So I do want supports in this print because, as you can see, the chest piece is hollow on the inside. So if you don't add supports, it will collapse in on itself. So we're just going to add supports there. Then the next thing we have to worry about is the actual raft. The raft is something that's printed on the bottom of the print that you're trying to do of the model, but it's not actually part of the model, and that's always important. You should always have a draft, as it separates the build plate from the final print that you're doing. Then you don't worry about floor thickness because you don't change that. The next thing you have to worry about is the infill density. So that's how much filament goes into creating the final product. So 10% infill density is okay, and then you have to check the infill pattern. So diamond fill fast is the best thing when you're just trying to do a draft. But then if you want to do a final product and you want something to be more stable, you can either do just normal diamond fill or you can do linear, and those are both good for that. Roof thickness, don't worry about that. All these things you shouldn't worry about. And then the last thing is support density. So that's how dense the supports holding the thing are. So that would make it easier or harder to actually remove the supports once you're done printing. So I'm going to make that 9% right there. And then I'm going to leave this print settings, and then you open up right here and you select makerbot new. That's our newest printer. Then the makerbot replicator is the one that we have right next to us here. So right now I'm going to be printing on makerbot new. That's going to give you access to the printer, and it's going to give you a live feed of what's happening on the printer. So just to make sure that you're connected to the right one, you should put your hand under it, and to see if you can see your hand in the image, and you know that you're connected to the right printer and it's live. So once that's happened, then you can just go and press print. And if it will prepare, you don't have to worry about anything there, and it will print itself. So you would just go and you would click start print because the build plate is clear, and then everything is good there.